Hello guys, this is Anders Larsson. In this video I'm going to talk about the most popular anti-spam plugin or service that you can use on your blog or on your website. So if you have a business blog and you want to allow people to engage with whatever you are talking about, then you definitely need a comment spam protection service. The most used online marketers have on their websites is a plugin called Akismet, and this is what I'm going to talk about today. Before we do that, I want to make a short introduction. So, my name is Anders Larsson and I'm an online marketer from Sweden. I have been working as a YouTube influencer for about 3 years now. During that time, I struggled with getting traffic to my channel, to my videos. After about 2 years, I decided to test something. I did something different because I was tired of being stuck with the results that I had at that time. Doing that, I noticed that my traffic suddenly increased. I managed to scale up my traffic. At the end of the video, I will share with you exactly what I did. So these are 2 gold nuggets that you don't want to miss. I know that there are other people sharing their traffic secrets, but I believe that mine is different because the traffic secrets that I'm sharing with you is something that will work for beginners. And believe me, I've gone through a lot of traffic secrets shared by online gurus, and guess what? These traffic secrets didn't work for me. So I had to struggle on my own, find my own way to generate traffic, and this was just plain luck. And I found that luck just because I explored something new. And this is something that I recommend to you. Explore something new. Do something different. What the online gurus are sharing is because they want you to believe it is easy, so that you jump the gun and buy whatever they are selling. I'm just honest with you. I'm not gonna tell you that getting successful in your business is easy, because it is not, and you have to be smart about it. Read between the lines and figure out what online marketers are actually doing. So I'm just saying that it is time that someone is sharing something that works for beginners. And this is what I'm going to do, but all that at the end of the video. Without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. And I'm going to talk about the Akismet anti-comment spam plugin. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to create a WordPress page using the Elementor plugin. And I do this to demonstrate the Akismet plugin. So this is WordPress. I add a new page. I hit publish and I prepare my page with Elementor settings. So we are going to start Elementor and we are going to add a comment widget and then deal with an error message. So now we are in Elementor and I type comment and use the post comment widget with simple drag and drop. So here I'm dragging the widget into the workspace. It says comments are closed. So what we need to do is to enable it. Save your changes by clicking update, and then we go back to the WordPress page. So this is what I'm demonstrating now. I'm clicking update, then exit to dashboard. Next, I'm going to scroll down and then click the checkbox allow comment. So here I'm scrolling down until I see discussion, and I will click this checkbox allow comments. And then I'm going to publish or update the page. So now I click the update button. In WordPress, we have a menu item called plugins, and here I click the menu item. So I click plugins, not these 3, but the first I see in the menu, and we can see that Akismet is already installed here. I didn't install it, it was automatically included when I installed WordPress, but it is not activated. First I want to show you how to install it. You click add new, then you search plugins, you type Akismet, and then you click activate. I click activate. So this message you don't have to worry about. It is for Elementor. We get redirected to an Akismet install page, and you can see that it is asking for an Akismet account. I click the blue button and I get to this page. We use the free option. I enter the information, and of course you need to enter your domain, and then I click the blue button. If you check your email, you will receive a code, and now you paste that code in here and click the blue button. Now the sign up is complete and I continue follow the instructions. I need to find the API key. Let's illustrate what we did. I activated the plugin, then you create an account, they send you an email, and you activate by entering the code that you received in your email. Then you check your email, and in your email you will see the API key, and that is a bunch of numbers and letters. It should look something like this in your email, and this is the place where the API key is printed out, so you just copy everything. So let's try to find settings. In settings you have Akismet anti-spam plugin. You click that menu item and then you manually enter the API key. So I pasted this key and now I click connect with API key. You will see this message: Akismet is now protecting your site from spam. Happy blogging. Click Save Changes, and now we go to the comment menu item, and here is the page where you will see comments dropping in. If Akismet is working, then you will see the numbers increasing in the spam folder here. Let's recap what we did. We clicked Settings and then Akismet, and then we entered the API key manually, and then I clicked Save or Activate. So Pages, and then we have the Akismet demonstration page, and let's view it. I'm now logged in as an administrator. So let's log out. So I try with temp mail, and this is a service for disposable emails, so you can try things without actually having to go through the hassle of setting up your own email. So I paste this email here, and then I click Post Comment. So this comment widget is set under Moderate. So when you submit the comment, it will tell you that this is awaiting moderation. And that is always a good thing if you have issues with spam, to enable moderation. So I logged in again, and then I refresh the page, and we can see in the comments menu item that something happened. We have a new comment. So this is set as pending. Now we can approve it, and this comment is now visible to everyone. Alright, so this was the main content, and now it's time to share my 2 traffic secrets. Alright, so let's begin with traffic secret number 1. I will tell you a little bit about what happened before I managed to scale up my traffic. I was doing all these videos. I followed people's recommendation how to get more traffic from YouTube. On some of the videos you can see that I attempted using online marketing keywords. I was pretty frustrated that I couldn't get any traffic. So that is April 2020. And you can see the timeline, it is pretty much here. Then I took a couple of months break because I was unmotivated. I was out of ideas. Then in the beginning of September, I devised a plan. I started to make small tutorials about different web services. It was services that not so many people knew about. Let's go to the beginning of September. Oh, what's happening? Love Crumble, Type Studio, check the views. What the heck is going on? Why do I get so many views? Check deepstash.com, 133, solo.2, 392 views, almost 400. That is crazy. Can you spot what the secret is? Check the titles of the videos. Do you see that I put the domain name as the first keyword in the title? I try to go back again to my normal videos, Legendary Marketer 15-Day Challenge Review. You probably know what the online gurus tell you, how to find the keywords and find the low competition keywords. So you begin by typing the keyword that you are interested in. Then you continue to build upon that keyword to find even lower competition. So here we have Legendary Marketer 15-Day Challenge, and let's make it a review. And this is a way to be pretty certain that it is not competitive. At that time I didn't use the vidIQ plugin. Notice that the top videos is not an exact match of that keyword that I search for. YouTube decides what keywords it will assign to your videos, even the keywords that you have not thought of. So YouTube is in control. Let's check vidIQ. Here I did a research on Akismet. Competition very low, so this is pretty much what I'm looking for. But this is a domain keyword. Now let's try Legendary Marketer 15-Day Challenge Review. And here it says very low, and the attractiveness score is very high. So I can't trust vidIQ with normal keywords. What happens is that these online marketers have a high authority, and they will absorb most of the keywords. So for example, if you check this video, Legendary Marketer Review, and then you type Legendary Marketer Review, and here you see the same video. So this is how I figured out that these online marketers have a big keyword cloud, or a big set of keywords that YouTube assigns to them. So secret number 1 is to use domains in your title, and this works for beginners. Secret number 2 is to use an intro hook. A hook is like mentioning a call to action as soon as possible, preferably in the intro. That call to action needs to be very, very attractive. It is there to attract the viewer so that they stay through the video. It is very easy to get distracted and click something else, so you need to give the viewers something to bite onto. If this is the video that you are watching, then we have the outro and the intro, the main content, and in my case, the 2 secrets. And then I talk about the 2 secrets in the beginning of the video and tell them that I will reveal them in the end of the video. This is how to create a hook. People stay through the video. 3 things happens. You get a longer opportunity to build, know, like, and trust. And this is important to get likes and subscribers so that people listen to you when you recommend things. Number 2, if they stay until the end of the video, then people will also listen to what you recommend. Number 3, the video watch time increases. This is an important measurement for the YouTube algorithm. Your video will rank better. I will also share a bonus secret. So what the heck is this? This is a real gold nugget, and I'm going to reveal the importance of this. You probably know about affiliate marketing and how we as YouTube influencers and affiliate marketers produce videos to attract people to our solution. So we are here to help people start an online business. I am here to help you start an online business. Have you heard about ClickBank? ClickBank is an affiliate network. So basically what you do, you pick a product that you want to sell. So let's say it is an e-learning course that you promote. Maybe that is your solution. You tell people, if you want to learn how to make money online, then go ahead and click the link. It will take you to an e-learning course that taught me how to become an online marketer. The problem here is that ClickBank mostly have low ticket products. And if it were high ticket, then of course people would resist it more. You would have to work much harder trying to sell it. So now let's say it is a low ticket, you make $10, someone buys it, and then that buyer is gone. So that is really a problem. I mean, you can't get rich with this method. You have to be smarter. I tried this and I learned that this is actually not what you are supposed to be doing. I asked an online marketer to help me out with this problem because I was very frustrated, and I asked someone that really seemed to know what she was doing, and this is what I learned. So instead of referring people to a ClickBank product, the solution that I use is similar. You refer people to a low ticket product, but check this out. I refer people to a front-end product, and when they buy it, they become a member in this system that is called Legendary Marketer. So when you buy your first product, you start to commit building your business. And all these products that are on the back end is different levels of commitment, different levels of value, different levels of price, and of course different levels of commissions. So in a system like Legendary Marketer, it is way more easy to be committed and motivated and inspired, as well as empowered to build a business. Because in Legendary Marketer, you have everything that you're ever gonna need. Legendary Marketer is also a community type of website, so you can ask for help if you need any. Not only that, so inside Legendary Marketer you have this value ladder. The last step is a high ticket product. This means that you can earn a huge commission from that product if someone buys this product. But do you have to sell it? How am I gonna convince people to buy this high price tagged package? What I found out when I joined Legendary Marketer is that I don't have to worry about that, because in the system you have coaches and you will get assigned a personal coach. They help members commit to their journey. Not only will they guide you and help you, but they will also recommend different products depending on what level you are in your business. So the only thing you have to worry about is to refer people to the front-end product. Legendary Marketer wants people that at least have a basic level of commitment. But check this out. If you refer someone that are more experienced, that already has some success in their business, same thing happens. That person get assigned a personal coach, and then they start to communicate. This is when a coach can recommend a high-ticket solution. If we go to the referral plan page in Legendary Marketer, then there is a product that I highly recommend to you as a beginner, and that is Legendary Marketers Club. This is perfect if you want to start an online business and you want to become an affiliate marketer. So that is the Legendary Marketer Club. And guys, they are truly not kidding when they say it is packed full of training, education, and resources. Normally you would expect this to be hyped up, but they truly mean it. I especially love the live training with Matt Halsell. If you go for the Legendary Marketers Club, that is the first thing I would look at, the live training, because it's so packed with gold nuggets that will truly help you out with your online business. I highly recommend you to test it out. Now, this is what I want to show you, the referral plan and the different levels of commissions that you can earn. So you have to understand that all the work that you put in your videos, it has to count for something. And this is when the high commissions really make sense. When you suddenly wake up one day with an email that says that you earned $1,000, I mean, that's pretty amazing. And that is thanks to the coaches. They are there to help you sell these high-ticket products. This is why I use Legendary Marketer and why I highly recommend you to use this system in your business. Alright, so what I will do, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions or need any help, then don't hesitate to contact me so that I can help you out. Now, if you found that you actually learned something from this video, then why not smash the like button? This will help my YouTube channel grow. You tell YouTube that you vote for this video so that people can find this video. Also, if you want more videos like this, then smash the subscribe button and click the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my videos that I release. Thank you for taking your time watching this video. Stay awesome, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.